mate. Careful. Good boy, Brewster. Good boy, mate. Oh my god, look at this. Nice big chunk. Look at that. Awesome. I don't know if you can see that, but I've just got another chunk reflecting off my hand there. Beautiful. What's he doing? He keeps going for rides. What is my dog up to? It's a raging current. He just keeps going out for swims. He loves it. Oh, he's a funny dog. Nice little chunky. And he's off and racing, and he's out. Oh, he didn't go out that far. The heavens has decided to open up yet again. So this is just a short video. So I thought I'd just come back to the place where it's been pretty lucky for me to get gold. And yet again I've ended up getting some good gold, so I'm pretty stoked. I'll go home, weigh it up, and I'll post this short video, but happy days. So we found this, which looks like it's got gold in it, so I'm going to open that up. And then this also looks like it's got gold in it. Just with the shine and all that. Anyway, we'll turn the scales on. And that's 0. So we'll do that one.
so that's a 0.6, 8. And then we'll do that one, which is a 0.48. So I'm not saying that they're nuggets, but with all the little bits and pieces, 0.33. Of all the pickers, and there's some nice sized pickers there. .34. Right, look at that one. That's a decent size. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified for every time we upload a new video.